Despite launching their Faceless channel only a year ago and posting just 8 videos, they've already accumulated over 13 million views and are earning more than $4,000 a month from their Faceless history documentaries. In this video, I'll guide you through each step of creating your own similar content using AI tools, from start to finish. To demonstrate just how simple this can be, here's a preview of one of my own videos that I put together in under 30 minutes.
Imagine a world where sending a message across the globe took weeks, or even months. A world where sharing ideas meant physically traveling to another city or even country. Hard to believe, right? In a blink of an eye, the internet has transformed our lives, changing the way we communicate, learn, work, and even play.
First, you need to generate ideas for your video. To do this, head over to ChatGPT and use the prompt. Can you suggest some YouTube video ideas focused on the complete history of blank? For example, you might get suggestions like the complete history of ancient Egypt, along with a brief explanation of what the video could cover. If you're not satisfied with these ideas, you can always ask for more. Next, you'll want to create a script for your video. Use a prompt like, create engaging and captivating video scripts designed to attract and retain viewers. The scripts should be around 10 minutes long, based on a medium-paced speech. Incorporate elements such as storytelling, relatable content, clear structure, and analogies to encourage audience engagement. Write the video script on the complete history of the internet, using your creativity and expertise to produce a high-quality and informative script that will appeal to a broad audience. This will provide you with a script that includes both narration and scene settings. However, for creating the voiceover, you only need the narration. To get just the narration, tell ChatGPT to extract it and hit enter. This will give you a clean version of the narration, which will be very useful when it's time to record your voiceover. And that brings us to the next step. If you are new on our channel and enjoying our content, then kindly subscribe Bee's Brain. This will motivate us to create more engaging videos. The next step, which you might have already guessed, is to create the voiceover for your script. To do this, go to 11 Labs. I'll provide the link in the description below. Once you're on 11 Labs, choose a voice for your video. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the first paragraph of your script. Then, go back to 11 Labs and paste the text into the appropriate field. Click Generate Speech, and 11 Labs will start producing your voiceover. Let's hear the result.
Imagine a world where sending a message across the globe took weeks, or even months. A world where sharing ideas meant physically traveling to another city or even country.
Now that your video is almost complete, the next step is to create the images for your scenes. This process is not only simple but also quite enjoyable, and I'll show you how to make it truly stand out to attract more views for your channel. To start, head back to ChatGPT where you have your narration. Ask ChatGPT for a specific type of prompt to generate unique image ideas for each scene and hit enter. As you can see, we offer free training workshop to those who wants to learn YouTube automation. If you want to learn, you can join our session. Link will be available in description. ChatGPT provides all the prompts needed to create the images for your entire video effortlessly. Now it's time to move on to the next phase, which is actually generating those images. To generate the images, head over to Leonardo AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Once on the site, navigate to the image creation section. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy your first prompt. Then return to Leonardo AI and paste it in. Simply click Generate, and Leonardo AI will create 4 stunning images for you to use in your video. The images look great, so you'll want to click on them and download the ones you like. To continue generating all the images for your video, repeat this process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, and paste it into Leonardo AI. Hit Generate again, and you'll get another set of images. Continue this until you have all the images you need. Once you've completed the images, it's time to move on to the next step, finding the perfect background music for your documentary. To do this, visit upbeat.io, link in the description. In the search bar, type documentary and browse through the available tracks. Listen to the ones that might fit your video, and when you find one or two you like, simply click download to save them to your computer. It's that simple and easy. Now, it's time to bring everything together and create your amazing video. To start editing, head over to a video editing platform. For this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut. First, open CapCut and click on Import Files. Here, I will import all the assets, including images, the voiceover, and background music. The first step is to drag the voiceover file to the audio layer. I'll zoom in to make it easier to edit the audio accurately. Next, I'll drag the images into the media layer one by one. Since I've already created the images in a specific order, I'll place them accordingly. To match the images perfectly with the voiceover, I'll trim them individually until everything aligns smoothly. To make our video more engaging and watchable for the audience, I'll add animations using the combo animation feature. For some images, I'll use a zoom-in effect, for others, a zoom-out effect, a wobble here and there, and whatever other effects are available. This variety of animations will add a dynamic touch, keeping viewers hooked. With the animations in place, the next step is to add transitions between the images. Transitions are crucial for this type of video, as they enhance flow and engagement. I'll add transitions one by one between all the images. Now that the transitions are complete, we move on to effects. I'll choose a single effect for now. Just click on Effect and apply it to image 1. You can add different effects to various parts of your video to make it visually more appealing. Now comes a critical phase, adding captions. I'll click on Text, then select Auto Caption and hit Generate. CapCut will work its magic and generate captions automatically. The captions are ready, but I'll customize their appearance with a new template. This one looks good, so I'll go with it. Captions are done. Finally, it's time to add the background music. I'll drag the music file to the audio layer, lower the volume to a suitable level, and trim it to match the video length perfectly. Our video is now complete. Click on Export to save your video, and just like that, you're ready to share it with the world. And hey, while you're exporting, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.